And voila, guys, and voila, MP Tech here. The job is done. You have all your retainers installed, the screws. Here they are. The other screw is under the first aid kit. Here, there's two on one side. Unfortunately, these retainers that look like Christmas trees here, they suck. One of them broke, so I'm gonna have to find another one. But they snapped right in place, as you can see. Try not to lose these. I almost lost mine, but the wife found it because she was looking where I wasn't looking, and she found it. And yeah, there we go. That's it. It's done, guys. And it closes like a champ. There you go. And here's the latch I was talking about that enables you to open and close. Well, at least open anyway, the tailgate from the inside. All right, guys. Anyway, thank you, and you guys have a great day. And again, if you find these videos helpful, please like and subscribe. Have a good day. Bye.